AMD showcases growing momentum for AMD-powered AI solutions from the data center to PCs. Today at the Advancing AI event, AMD was joined by industry leaders including Microsoft, Meta, Oracle, Dell Technologies, HPE, Lenovo, Supermicro, Arista, Broadcom and Cisco to showcase how these companies are working with AMD to deliver advanced AI solutions spanning from cloud to enterprise and PCs. AMD launched multiple new products at the event, including the AMD Instinct MI300 series data center AI accelerators, ROCm 6 open software stack with significant optimizations and new features supporting large language models, LLMs, and Ryzen 8040 series processors with Ryzen I. AI is the future of computing and AMD is uniquely positioned to power the end-to-end infrastructure that will define this AI era, from massive cloud installations to enterprise clusters and AI-enabled intelligent embedded devices and PCs, said AMD Chair and CEO Dr. Lisa Su. We are seeing very strong demand for our new Instinct MI300 GPUs, which are the highest performance accelerators in the world for generative AI. We are also building significant momentum for our data center AI solutions with the largest cloud companies, the industry's top server providers, and the most innovative AI startups who we are working closely with to rapidly bring Instinct MI300 solutions to market that will dramatically accelerate the pace of innovation across the entire AI ecosystem. Advancing data center AI from the cloud to enterprise data centers and supercomputers. AMD was joined by multiple partners during the event to highlight the strong adoption and growing momentum for the AMD Instinct data center AI accelerators. Microsoft detailed how it is deploying AMD Instinct MI300X accelerators to power the new Azure AMD MI300X V5 virtual machine, VM, series optimized for AI workloads. Meta shared that the company is adding AMD Instinct MI300X accelerators to its data centers in combination with ROCm 6 to power AI inferencing workloads and recognized the ROCm 6 optimizations AMD has done on the Llama 2 family of models. Oracle unveiled plans to offer bare metal compute solutions featuring AMD Instinct MI300X accelerators as well as plans to include AMD Instinct MI300X accelerators in their upcoming generative AI service. The largest data center infrastructure providers announced plans to integrate AMD Instinct MI300 accelerators across their product portfolios. Dell announced the integration of AMD Instinct MI300X accelerators with their PowerEdge XE9680 server solution to deliver groundbreaking performance for generative AI workloads in a modular and scalable format for customers. HPE announced plans to bring AMD Instinct MI300 accelerators to its enterprise and HPC offerings. Lenovo shared plans to bring AMD Instinct MI300X accelerators to the Lenovo ThinkSystem platform to deliver AI solutions across industries including retail, manufacturing, financial services and healthcare. Supermicro announced plans to offer AMD Instinct MI300 GPUs across their AI solutions portfolio. Asus, Gigabyte, Ingrasys, Inventec, QCT, Wistron and Wiwynn also all plan to offer solutions powered by AMD Instinct MI300 accelerators. Specialized iCloud providers including Aligned, Arcane Energy, Cirascale, Crusoe, Denver DataWorks and TensorWaves all plan to provide offerings that will expand access to AMD Instinct MI300X GPUs for developers and AI startups. Bringing an open, proven and ready AI software platform to market. AMD highlighted significant progress expanding the software ecosystem supporting AMD Instinct data center accelerators. AMD unveiled the latest version of the open source software stack for AMD Instinct GPUs, ROCm 6, which has been optimized for generative AI, particularly large language models. ROCm 6 boasts support for new data types, advanced graph and kernel optimizations, optimized libraries and state-of-the-art attention algorithms, which together with MI300X deliver an 8x performance increase for overall latency and text generation on Llama 2 compared to ROCm 5 running on the MI250. Databricks, Essential I and Lemony, 3i startups building emerging models and AI solutions, joined AMD on stage to discuss how they're leveraging AMD Instinct MI300X accelerators and the open ROCm 6 software stack to deliver differentiated AI solutions for enterprise customers. OpenAI is adding support for AMD Instinct accelerators to Triton 3.0, providing out-of-the-box support for AMD accelerators that will allow developers to work at a higher level of abstraction on AMD hardware. Continued leadership in advancing IPCs. With millions of IPCs shipped to date, AMD announced new leadership mobile processors with the launch of the latest AMD Ryzen 8040 series processors that deliver robust high compute capability. AMD also launched Ryzen I 1.0 software, a software stack that enables developers to easily deploy apps that use pre-trained models to add AI capabilities for Windows applications. AMD also disclosed that the upcoming next-gen 6-point CPUs, planned to launch in 2024, will include the AMD XDNA 2 architecture designed to deliver more than a 3x increase in AI compute performance compared to the prior generation that will enable new generative AI experiences. Microsoft also joined to discuss how they are working closely with AMD on future AI experiences for Windows PCs.